We begin the study of monetary policies with the understanding that the economy starts in the community. It also takes place in the city and also nationally. And eventually the economy grows. That growth is measured in terms of GDP. And the goal of any economy is to grow. As the economy grows, we track financial transactions through a banking system. And Federal Reserve policies will require some of that money to be deposited at the Federal Reserve. And when the economy needs some money to keep up with economic growth, some of that money is injected back in the financial market. And we can see the circulation of that money going through the economy. And that helps economic activities to continue and have the chance to grow the economy. So this is a depiction of how the financial market with banks help circulate money, and eventually that helps the economy to grow. All that money circulation in the economy is triggered through monetary policies. And we have two directions of monetary policies. This is to illustrate expansionary monetary policies. We first observe the circulation of water towards the garden. In our illustration, the Federal Reserve is the source of water, and the banks are the sprinklers that help spread the water over the garden. Also, the grass that is receiving the water represent businesses and households. So, in summary, consider the water to be the money that is injected in the system, and consider the garden to be the system made of the banks, sprinklers, and households, the grass. Here we are trying to illustrate the other direction of money circulation, which is understood as contractionary monetary policies. You can see water going from the garden to the water source, which is the Federal Reserve. So monetary policies, contractionary monetary policies, intend to reduce the circulation of money in the economy. And our illustration here is looking at the water being directed from the garden or the economy towards the Federal Reserve, which is our water source.